Hello guys, this video becomes more interesting because today I will show you how to make a smooth slow motion video by the help of CapCut app. This is the normal video and these people works normally, and I will make it slow and fast like this. So first of all, open CapCut apps. This app you will get from Google Play Store. So tab on new project, then select the right video, then click on add option. After adding this video, then select the ending portion of this video, then select ending option and tab on delete. Then select the video layer and tab on speed option. This time show two systems, and one is normal and another is curve. Curve is more easier, so first of all I will show you this system. Select curve option and then again select custom, then tab on edit. This is the beat system. If the beat is up, your video make more fast, and if your beat is down, your video make slowly. And you add new beat, this white line standing any point, and tab on add beat and another new beat adding. And I will show you how to adjust the beat. So this beat down and third beat up and fourth beat down, fifth also down and last beat also down, and play the video. First smoothly work and then fast and then slowly. And if you want to more smoother, so make it smoother, so tab on make it more smoother and better quality, click on, and your video smoothness is better, and we tab on OK option. Smooth slow motion applying this system take few minutes for applying this smoothness, and then second time I will show you the normal option. So first of all you select the video layer and then first you split the video. So then we split the video. This first option we make slowly, middle portion make fast, and then last option make slowly. So again split, then select the video layer and choose the speed option, then normally, and this scale we make it 0.5x and play the video it slowly, and then second option we make it fast, more fast, and then the last portion make it slowly. Okay, then make it smoother, so click on better quality, then OK. This time take few minutes and I will show you the final result. And to save the video, so tab on add option